guys, I'm back again with another video. So today we're doing a wig. I got this wig from Amazon, and today I'm dyeing the roots. Okay, I got the 40 ash blonde, and I got two Wella color charms in the shade T15. You really don't need two. I just got two just in case. So yeah, if you do like a bob wig like this one, then you'll be fine with just one. And I also got some 20 volume developer, which I really didn't need because I had a smaller one, but I just got it anyway from Sally's. And you're gonna need your got to be spray. I personally recommend if you just like use some regular hairspray or like some what else you can use. I know people use Vaseline and everything else to protect the lace. I'll probably do that if I do another blonde wig, but the got to be was the only option that I had. But I'll probably use something else because some of the colors did see through the lace, but you can't really tell because it's in the back, so that's a good thing. And then what you want to do is just blow dry and make sure the got to be spray is fully dry before you start doing your roots. So you're just going to mix the ingredients. So you're just gonna mix the colors and everything else, and you're gonna get the ash blonde effect. But it's really gonna turn dark. But don't worry, because once you're finished and once you let the color set in and everything else, it's gonna wash out and you'll be fine. So don't be scared. It might turn dark a little, but it'll be okay. So after that, you're just gonna stir the whole thing. Make sure the product is stirred all combined, okay? You have to make sure, because if not, I'm pretty sure it won't work. So yeah, right now I'm just stirring everything. But disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist, okay? This is my first time coloring a wig. So if you like it, you like it. If not, I don't know what to tell you. But I think it came out bomb, and I actually love the color. Also, if you made it this far into the video, you might as well subscribe to your girl's channel and join the Chelse Squad, okay? Because what you doing with life, okay? And I just want to say thank you very much for your support and everyone else that has supported me. And I just want to, reach out to all y'all and say thank you. And make sure you guys leave a comment down below if you like this wig and if you want to see me dye another wig. Okay, cool. Now back to the video. As you can see, I am lightly coloring the roots. I said lightly, okay? But honestly, I wasn't even going lightly, okay? Because I was just rushing just to get this wig done because I had somewhere to be around 3:19, and I started this wig around like 2 something, I don't know, but yeah. This is not easy. Whoever said it was easy, it is not easy, okay? Like, you really have to, like, know what you're doing. And honestly, I don't know what I'm doing, like, at all. I really don't know what I'm doing. I saw some stuff on YouTube and everything else, and I was just like, you know what? I'm going to try it. So that's what I did. The hair came out really stiff because of the got to be spray. So maybe next time I'll use something else because I just didn't like it because it was ripping some of the hair. So like it was shedding because of the spray was so thick that like if you try to brush the wig, like some of the hairs will fall out. But luckily I got it under control and the wig is in its beautiful state of mind, okay? And no shedding. I get like a little bit, but not a lot of shedding on the wig. I'll leave down the link of where I got the wig from on Amazon. And yeah, I recommend this wig. I think it's a cool wig. This is a Bob 613 wig. It is 8 inches. So, I did something short because it's my first time doing blonde. So I want to be short. I really didn't pay that much money for this wig. Like, it was actually affordable. So, I mean, if you want to try it out, I suggest you try it out. I mean, you know, it's not like you spending OD money. So, yeah. But the process of, you know, separating the hair and coloring the roots, this is why this is like speeded up, because honestly, if you're a beginner and you don't know what you're doing, and you know, you watching stuff on YouTube and they're just like, oh my god, they're so fast, like how they doing that so fast, that's because they have years of practice and years of doing this. Me, I don't. But if you like how it turns out, then you know, I suggest you follow. But other than that, you really need patience, okay, and time, because it took forever. Not only that, but the product stinks. Like, I don't understand how people be bleaching their hair or dyeing their hair. Like, it stinks. Like, my nose was going to die, okay, because like I hated the smell. The smell was horrible. I did not like it at all. But I guess, you know, because you gotta do what you gotta do, and you gotta dye the hair. But next time I need to try a different method, because the bleaching process and the dyeing process, I just can't do it. Like, it kills my nose. I don't know what it is, but I just don't like it. So if you can see very closely to the roots, the color is coming through. So you see like that nice dark color that is showing on the roots. Yes, that means the product is working, okay? When you see that dark color, that means the product is working, okay? That means you did a good job. To me, that feels like I did a good job. At first, I looked at it, I'm just like, oh my god, this is like really dark, and I really don't want dark roots, but it looks dark. But as soon as you wash it, I'm telling y'all, it's not that bad after. I might re-dye everything, but yeah. So I'm just shut up and stop talking. You know, this is basically nothing new. You know, you just want to leave the dye in for like 20 minutes. I'll probably leave it in longer, but this is how it looked in the end. When you wash it, I used my shampoo first. I didn't condition it until I did the Wella Color Charm. That's when I started washing it with shampoo, and then I conditioned after. But yeah, let me just shut up so you guys can just watch the whole video, and I'll come back later. Peace out. Okay, so I didn't cut the lace because for one, I still have braids in my hair, so my braids are like pushed back and whatever. But this is the color. I hope it's giving out a good color because it probably won't be because of the light. But I'm gonna take a picture and then I'm gonna insert it in the video so you guys can see. I might go a little darker, I don't know, but it's looking really nice on my skin tone. So I don't know, with a nice beat face, you know, like you already know, like it's gonna look popping. So I'm super excited for this wig. So excited for this wig though, girl. Like I never did blonde. Your girl's about to be blonde. Your girl's about to be blonde. Alright, so I'm finished with this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.